I was waiting for Congressman Paduano to do that, but anyway, so there is him. Isang order na manggagaling sa committee ito to arrest Colonel Hector Grijaldo. Congressman Paduano, I believe the PNP medical doctors are present in order to update us on the status of Colonel Grijaldo. Since Colonel Grijaldo is not around, hindi ko malaman kung bakit ngayon ay lagi kang absent. Samantalang ikaw ay tinatawag ng kapulungang ito ng 4 na beses. Pero sa Senado, 1 beses ay ikaw ay nag-attend. So, we just like to get an update doon sa status nung health ni Colonel Grijaldo, the head of the orthopedic department ng PNP General Hospital.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, please inform this committee.
Your Honor, last December 5, we went to Pasig Doctors Medical Center to assess the orthopedic condition of Police Colonel Grijaldo. So upon checking the patient is awake, coherent, cooperative, and ambulatory. And upon knowing, sir, na he underwent arthroscopic shoulder surgery last December 2, and 1 day post-operatively, he underwent physiotherapy bedside po, sir.
So, does that make him unable to attend mga meetings kagaya nito?
On my orthopedic point of view, sir, the patient, yes, may be able to attend this hearing, but depende po yun, sir, kung papayagan siya ng kanyang attending physician. So, hindi po kasi namin nakita, hindi ko po nakita yung kanyang medical record, which is hindi po sa amin, hindi po kami pinayagan ng hospital. Makita yung
Mr. Chair, sorry, may I ask?
Yeah. Okay, Congresswoman Pami Zamora.
Sir, sinabi mo, nakita mo siya ng December 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi, December 2 siya nagka-procedure.
Opo.
And then the next, because when you saw him on December 5, sabi mo, ambulatory siya.
Yes,
ma'am. Tapos, kailan siya nakalabas?
Hindi pa po siya nakakalabas.
Hindi siya nakakalabas. Oh. Okay. Is there a reason, would you know, sir, kung bakit hindi siya nakakalabas?
On my opinion, ma'am, no?
Opo.
So baka po mayroon pa siyang mga underlying medical condition baka po hindi pa siya nakiklear ng kanyang attending physician.
Baka acute stress disorder. Oo. Okay. And so, if the procedure was December 2, because itong katabi ko si Kong PM, nagkaganon din siya eh. Am I right, Kong PM?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And how long did it take you to, when you want, I'm sorry, I know this is out of line, but how long, I just want to make sure, kasi naiinis na ako eh. How long did it take you from your procedure to go back home?
It took me 2 days, Mr. Chair.
Okay, 2 days.
Mr.
So,
Chairman.
okay.
Mr. Chairman?
Yes, SDS Gonzales.
Well, Mr. Chairman, sa mga nanonood, mga doktor, ako, 2 knee surgery, MTL and ACL. After my surgery, nagbike na po ako kagad at pinalakad na po ako ng doktor. Baka parang iniunsulto po natin yung mga doktor natin. Parang hindi po yan kapapaniwala. No? At meron po akong broken shoulder sa basketball also. At therapy lang po yan. Hindi po yan inihiga. Pag inihiga mo yan, lalo kang mahihirapan. Kaya baka nanonood po yung mga doktor dito sa ating bansa o sa ibang bansa. Baka tatawanan po tayo yung mga reason nyo, ganyan. So yun lang po, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Gonzales. Are you done, Congresswoman
Sorry,
Zamora?
Mr. Chair, I think we've given him what's his name? Colonel Hector Grijaldo enough leeway. Sobrang bait na natin sa kanya, and I think it's the right time to make an appropriate motion. Sumusobra na siya. This is, I believe, his 4th time to skip the Quadcom, and pero sa Senate wala naman siyang rotator cuff syndrome. I'm sorry, but I really believe it's high time that with the indulgence of all the chairmen, that I move to cite Colonel Hector Grijaldo in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Seconded.
Okay. There's a motion. I was waiting for Congressman Paduano to do that, but anyway, so there is a. Sinite niya ng contempt. So there is a motion to cite Colonel Hector Grijaldo in contempt for failing to attend the committee hearing of the Quadcom for the 4th time, if I'm not
Yes,
mistaken.
Mr. Chair.
4th time. And this is in violation of Section 11 of our Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this was duly seconded, and no objections was heard. So the chair rules that the motion is approved. Comsec, please relay to the Philippine National Police and the appropriate department where Colonel Grijaldo is an active member that the House Committee or the Quadcom has cited him in contempt. Therefore, ang kasunod po nito ay isang order na manggagaling sa committee ito to arrest Colonel Hector Grijaldo for violating the rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation of the House of Representatives.